Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session, today we are going to discuss a topic that frequently plays very vital role in the solution of different practical numerical problems of engineering. You can say this is an important tool to unlock the door of any hidden mathematical sector, as my teacher used to say. I am repeating the same. So please note the topic today we are going to discuss in your class. This is Strum-Liouville problem. Please write the spelling S-T-R-U-M. Strum-Liouville. L-O-V-I-V for very good. Strum, S-T-R-U-M, Strum, Liouville, L-O-V-I-L-L-E, Strum Liouville, Strophius, Strum Liouville's problem. Strum Liouville's problem. So please come on a PDF that explain this fact. Please write the correct spelling which is on the screen of your mobile or in your computer. Strum Liouvilles problems. So firstly, we are going to see Strum-Liouville boundary value problem. SLBVP is what? SLBVP. It is frequently asked in your campus interview that have you ever listened the name SLBVP? So you should remember this terminology SLBVP, Strum-Liouville boundary value problem. With the notation like L, y is equal to d by dx of px dy, the product of the differentiation of the product of px and dy by dx plus qx into y. Take it as equation like this is in this chapter. This is in chapter 6, so here is 6.1. You can take it as equation 1. Consider the Strum-Liouville equation. Ly is equal to lambda r x into y is equal to 0. This is another equation. We have considered Strum-Liouville equation as Ly plus lambda r x into y is equal to 0. This can be taken as another equation where condition for this is p should be greater than 0. Here p means this positive function. R is also greater than or equal to 0 means R should be none. You can say non-zero quantity and positive quantity as is here. And PQR are continuous functions, means in this function you are going to find the left hand limit and right hand limit and value of the function in the given interval, closed interval AB, along with the boundary condition. The conditions are what? A1 ya plus a2 pa. Y dash a means derivative of the function at the point a is equal to 0. This is the boundary condition. Another boundary condition is what? B1 yb plus B2 pb plus y dash b is equal to 0, where a1 square plus a2 square is non-zero, means it is not equal to 0, and b1 square plus means the here a1 and here a2 square and add, this is not equal to 0. Here is b1 and here is b2 square and add, this is not equal to 0. The problem of finding a complex number mu, the problem of finding a complex number mu, if any, such that the boundary value problem as discussed in equation 6.2 and 6.3 with lambda is equal to mu has a non-trivial solution. I hope that you know the trivial and non-trivial solution in your determinant chapter, that what will happen if the value of a determinant is equal to 0 and what will happen if the value of a determinant is not equal to 0. In that case, there was trivial and non-trivial concept. You should remember that fact. So with lambda is equal to mu has a non-trivial solution. It's called a Sturm-Liouville eigenvalue problem. If lambda is equal to mu, if here, say here in Sturm-Liouville equation, if this for this lambda is equal to mu, if you are putting lambda is equal to mu has a, and if this lambda is equal to mu has a non-trivial solution, it's called a Sturm-Liouville eigenvalue problem. Such a value of mu is called an eigenvalue, and the corresponding non-trivial solution y as like this are called eigenfunctions. Further, it is important for you to note that an SL EVP is called a regular if this condition and this condition satisfied on closed interval AB. Also, an SL EVP is called singular in Sturm-Liouville eigenvalue problem if this condition and these conditions are satisfied. So students, you are saying here three different conditions, and then for different boundary value conditions, you are getting the different names of the function as well as Sturm and Liouville's conditions. I hope that you are getting this and you are enjoying. Now, we are considering here two examples for lambda belongs to R. Solve y double dash lambda y is equal to 0, where y not is equal to 0 and lambda dash phi is equal to 0. Take it as any equation. For regions that will be clear later on, it is enough to consider lambda belongs to R. And here are case 1, case 2 and case 3. That I have already told that if there are two quantities, then there may be three relations, either is equal to or less than or greater than. So lambda is the discussion of lambda is based in comparison to 0. In one case when lambda is less than 0, another case lambda is equal to 0, and the third case is when lambda is greater than 0. So if this is equal to 0, then by this result you can find lambda is equal to this. So students, it's very easy for you to understand. And the another example of this Sturm-Liouville problem is this. This is also based on the same logic. Student, I hope that you have enjoyed this lecture. And for your kind information, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. You know, this is university is the largest women's university in India that has provided different programs under a single roof. And this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of the university. Feel free to write your comment in the inbox. In case of any problem, you write your query in the inbox. I shall try to resolve your query from there. Thank you for listening and enjoying this lecture.